Abomination! Abomination!
Did you push my mother today?
Onome, she's my mother too. Why would I push her? And she kept saying this is her son's house. Onome, did you tell her that this is your house? Mama, please leave everything in this house the way it is.
In my son's house, you are giving me orders.
I don't have time for this.
Cow! Free cow! Free cow! Daughter of a cow. Cow begets cow.
I'm keeping you quieter because of God and because of Onome. This is a loving home. If you don't read the room, your days here will be numbered. It is I who will number your days. After you eat this dinner, nobody will tell you to leave my son alone. Gold digger!
Onome, help! Mommy!
Mommy! Mom!
I put it in her food.
From the same bowl?
Yes, the food came from the same bowl. I will allow the love to continue if he continues to send me money like before.
You poisoned my fiancée.
Why would you ask me that?
I am not asking you, I'm telling you. The doctor said she overdosed on laxative. Her potassium was so low, her heart almost stopped.
It was just a prank.
A prank? You did the same thing to Uncle Ajiri when you wanted him out of the house.
Ajiri took all your father's property and wanted to marry me.
But what has BC done to you?
Onome, to be honest, what I feel for BC, it's just... She's so lucky to have you. You are handsome, wealthy, established. I never got that chance. I married for love.
BC is marrying me for stronger reasons than love or money. Can't you see?
I was just jealous.
Jealous? But I'm your son.
She's a gold digger and I have to protect you. I have to protect you.
Did I complain? Would you let your daughter dig for dead lizards? Everybody is digging for gold, even you, Mom.
Me?
Didn't you come here for money?
Speak now or forever hold your peace.
Onome, you said you love me.
Lila?
God, please, I need help. Reveal every intent. Onome's mother is testing the virtue out of me. Forgive me if I have had negative thoughts. I love Onome, but I want his mother out of my house, Lord. She tried to kill me. Ere, show me mercy. Elroy, show me mercy. I'm tired. Babe, please, do you know anyone named Mina or Linda or Laura?
No, I don't. Why?
Maybe I got the name wrong, but about your mom, please, I hope you understand if she doesn't cook for us anymore.
I understand. I will tell Salami to look for a chef.
I beg, I don't want Salami's people. I want someone that is educated, so she can also be my personal assistant for now.
I got a man with a big I got a man with a strong
What's your plan with this baby?
I don't want to have it, but I also don't want to remove it. I'm scared.
I don't understand. Are you a baby? Don't you girls take pills?
Those pills destroy women's hormones.
So the women taking it, you think you are smarter than them?
I told you to use protection, but you said you loved me.
I was going through a phase. I was always at my cousin's place and you were always there too.
You used me and blocked me everywhere.
Oh yeah, let's move forward. What do you want now? Because I have a fiancé and I cannot think straight.
I can't afford this pregnancy.
So you came for money?
I just need enough to feed myself and the baby. My job pays 100,000 naira.
This is how baby mama extortion starts.
My parents are poor, otherwise I never want to see your face again. And this is your child too.
Keep your voice down. Instead of sending you money endlessly, I may have a job for you at my place.
What job?
Can you cook?
In your house?
Desperado.